You work hard, but your bank balance doesn't show it. Maybe it's not your income. It's your habits keeping you broke. In this video, I'll show you 7 common money habits that silently ruin your finances, and how to break free from each one. Habit 1. Spending before saving. Most people spend first, then try to save. That never works. The fix? Pay yourself first, even 10%. Habit 2. Living on credit. Using credit cards for wants, not needs, keeps you trapped in debt. Solution? Switch to debit only for daily spending. Habit 3. No budget or plan. Not tracking your money equals money disappears. Fix? Start a simple monthly budget, even on paper. Habit 4. Impulse shopping. You open Instagram, boom, you've ordered shoes. Fix? 24-hour rule. Wait before buying. Habit 5. Ignoring small expenses. It's just 300 rupees adds up. Daily coffee, snacks, subscriptions. Fix? Audit your micro-spending weekly. Habit 6. No emergency fund car breaks down. You're broke again. Fix? Build a small emergency fund. Even 500 rupees per month counts. Habit 7. Not investing early. Waiting for the right time to invest is a trap. Start now. Even 1,000 rupees per month grows with time. You don't need to be rich to build wealth, just break bad habits. Which of these 7 are you guilty of? Comment below. And if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for smarter money moves.